Let your imagination soar with the 35 model Ultimate Building Set from K'NEX. Build a working cement mixer. Build a spaceship. Or build a speeding dragster. With 35 building ideas that can be built one at a time, you will never run out of ideas. Use the easy-to-follow building instructions to complete the model. Or use the parts included to create your own model. With over 450 K'NEX parts, the possibilities are virtually endless. Once you are done building, use the Treasure Chest package for easy storage. Plus, all of the K'NEX rods and connectors used in this set are made in the USA. Building worlds kids love with the new 35 model Ultimate Building Set from K'NEX.